So as of recording this video, I'm excited to announce the launch of our personal branding program, which is called Builders of Authority. So over the last couple of years, I've continued to grow and scale not only my personal brand, but our business at Height Digital has scaled through the benefits of what I've done with my personal brand. And so many people have said, hey, Adam, I love what you're doing on the personal branding side. Can you teach it? Do you have a course? Can I work with you one-on-one? And for the last couple of years, I've really decided to just focus on growing the agency and push everything else aside, but it has now came to a point where I've seen the impact of what this can do, not only for my business, but I have inadvertently started to coach and mentor and teach other people on the personal branding side. And it's absolutely phenomenal what some of the results are. So I've decided to take action on all of this stuff. I did a webinar last week, or at the recording of the video last week, but when this video launches, it'll be 2 weeks removed. And there was over 300 people that registered for the event, over 100 people that were watching the webinar at pretty much any given time, and it almost went for 90 minutes. And so it was at the end of that webinar where I ended up launching the Builders of Authority program, the idea, its inception, etc. But on that webinar, I took the free PDF that I gave away to hundreds of people for my birthday this year on the 7 steps to $1 million business with personal branding. And so I expanded on that PDF even further. I feel like it was extremely successful. I've talked with a lot of people that do webinars consistently, and they said that those numbers were really, really good in terms of registrations and people that were in attendance. So just to kind of go over a little bit of some of the stuff that I'm doing, this is going to be for the entrepreneur that are looking to take their business to the next level via their personal brand. And with their personal brand, they want to take that to the next level. So a lot of people are looking to be speakers, right? They're looking to launch their podcast or take their podcast to the next level. They're looking to be a guest on some top tier podcasts within their industry. They're looking to eventually start their own program. They're eventually looking to be a business coach or consultant. Like, there's so many different reasons as to why in which you would want to do that on the personal brand side. But more importantly, when you are known as the authority for X, Y, and Z, whether you're on a local potential forefront in front of your customers or on a national aspect, you can absolutely grow your business and take your business to the next level. And my digital marketing agency is a perfect example of that. So regardless of where you're at in your journey, if you want to truly take your personal brand to the next level, we have different offerings. And this is kind of where, and I made a post recently about this on Facebook, where I kind of feel like maybe I went wrong. I had too many different options, but as of recording of this video, here's the different things that we have going on. So one, we have a free Facebook group. So join that free Facebook group. I'll make sure to put a link of that in the comments of this video or in the notes section of this video. Essentially, we're going to be going live once a week on Tuesdays for about 45 minutes at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. And essentially, we're just going to go over a variety of different topics around personal branding. If I get questions, things like that people want me to have a video or training on, I will do it then. So that's basically our entry level offer, right? And so super simple and easy, free. Definitely give that a join. The next one is we have a course. So that course is going to be launching in mid-January, and essentially it's going to be A to Z on everything that you need to know from a personal branding aspect. So I'm going to walk through the 7 steps. I'm going to walk through like all the different things that I do when I am going to build my personal brand and continue to build it, right? All the different aspects of when to post, how to post, etc., how to go get more speaking events, how to take advantage of podcasts, etc. Like A to Z, it's all going to be there. So that at the time of this recording until the course actually launches is $999 one time. Then we have our group mastermind. So it's going to be everything that you'll get in the course, plus a private Facebook group for just the mastermind and inner circle members, which I'll talk to you about here in a second. We have a live weekly training. And then from there, we also have 2 office hours twice a week for an hour each, where you can come with your questions, get all those questions answered, etc. But you also have that peer group and community where you can go and learn from other people that are obviously taking this serious We have 2 different offers right now that we're running at the time of this video release. So we ran a current special for it, but that will be expired by the time this video goes live. But we essentially have $500 a month, or you can pay $5,000 for 1 year, which gets you 2 months free. Then we have our inner circle, which is everything what you'll see in those other things with the mastermind, and then also the course itself. But that is going to be a bi-weekly 1-to-1 for 30 minutes with myself. So we have that limited to 10 spots as of this video. There's 3 of those 10 spots taken, but essentially we're going to craft a personal branding plan and strategy specifically for what you're trying to do with your personal brand, where you're at right now, what you're trying to accomplish over the next 90 days, and then where your end goal is with a lot of this stuff. And then after the first 90 days, it'll go to a monthly 1-to-1 call after that. And then you'll have, some additional access to me. We're going to have some accountability and cohort groups, things like that, once we have enough members in the group. But those are some of the key aspects of what you're going to see specifically in our different offers and tiers. So if any of this stuff is of interest to you, definitely feel free to shoot me a DM, leave a comment, etc. I'm super excited about this because it's the first time that I am really putting myself out there as a coach or a consultant, whatever you want to call it. I've taken on some opportunities. I have some exciting things happening in 2024, but it's not basically something I've done a ton of or really marketed about. So this is a learning experience for me, and I'll be sharing that journey throughout the entire process, but I appreciate your support. So thank you very much for watching today's video. I look forward to seeing you in the Builders of Authority community, and we'll talk to you soon. See you next time.